Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Canva clone remove background from image kind of a offline editor that I developed inside HTML and JavaScript. As you can see on your screen, I have deployed this tool on my website freemediatools.com. You can check out this. So you can see you just need to select an image file. It runs locally in the browser itself. As you select your image, instantly it will remove the background and then it will display the output image. And then we have two buttons right here. Either we can download this image or we can cancel the operation. So if I click the download button, you can select the location there you want to save, and instantly you can download the output file where the background is successfully removed. There is You can even select files which contains multiple faces as well. So now I will show the image which contains two faces. You can try this tool before purchasing it. There is a buy button which is given just below the video. If you click this ad, just click the buy button and you will be redirected to the checkout page where you can purchase this tool. And you can see it also works with multiple images as well. So this will be the checkout page. You will only for 1,000 rupees here, Indian thousand, 1,000 rupees, Indian rupees. So in the checkout page, you will see this live demo link. So first of all, you can try this tool. If you like it, then only you can purchase it. So on the checkout page, you will find out this live demo. So simply use it. If you like it, then you can check out this, click the purchase button, and you can pay through UPI, credit card, debit card. All these options are available. So once you purchase it, guys, you will get this source code. This is actually the source code here. It is built entirely in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. No third-party API is used. You can use it unlimited number of times. Once you purchase it, you can modify the source code, modify the user interface as well. And all my initials are flashing on this video. If you face any sort of problem, I will refund your money instantly. If you face any sort of problem, you can contact me at my email address and phone number as well. WhatsApp, all these details are flashing. So as you can see, you can simply run this project after purchasing it. You can see we are running it on localhost. Instantly, you can deploy this project as well on your own hosting as well. And you can put advertisements and earn a lot of revenue as well. You can see again, it instantly works. So hopefully, if you like this product, guys, you can definitely purchase it. And thank you very much for watching this video.